Well, I really don't want to have to do this, but we might need to sell the Supra. Well, the last thing I want to do is get rid of the Supra. This car has meant a lot to me, and I'm just making this video and making this channel to be real and to be genuine with you guys. That's all I want to do. I want to make content I enjoy and be real. I'm not going to hide stuff. So this is an expensive car and I have a loan on it. That's how I got it. And I was able to afford it just fine, no issues. But as of recently, as you know, I kind of don't have a job. So this is an expensive car to just be sitting in my garage while we have this wonderful winter wonderland in Wisconsin going on. I have a plan, and I'll get to that in the end, so please stick around till the end of the video. But I wanted to be real with you guys and where my head's kind of at with everything and what's going on with all the content, the videos, and the car moving forward. So I've had this Supra for a little over, going on 2 years now. And it was the first car that I've ever really got to do a build series on. This is the car that I drove to my wedding. Like I've gotten sentimental attachments to this car at this point now, and the last thing I want to do is sell it, but at the end of the day, bills gotta be paid, and a car is a car. But as a car enthusiast and making my tier list video just before this, you kind of realize a car isn't really just a car. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm not gonna keep it nice for the next guy. I'm gonna drive the absolute piss out of this thing all winter long. I'm gonna take it in the snow. Fuck the salt. Fuck salt! We're putting it in the salt. We're driving it down the road when there's a blizzard. I'm gonna drive it because I'm gonna go out with a bang, and I'm gonna do everything that I can to try and keep this car because it means so much to me. There's a lot of cars I regret selling, and I don't want this one to be one of them. So my plans moving forward for this are to drive it all winter. I just got some Viking Contact 7s from Continental that I'm gonna put on this so I actually can move it, because now I'm kind of nervous that this car is stuck right here. I didn't think about that before I backed it out. That was stupid. We should be able to get back in the garage. But then I want to make some videos for you guys, and I'm making this video as kind of a temperature check. Is that something you're interested in? Would you follow along? And this video itself is weird. I'm recording it with my cell phone. I'm sitting out in my driveway in the winter, but this channel is just all about trying stuff, seeing what works and what doesn't. And I'm making this video to get your guys' feedback, because this channel is just as much about me as it is you guys. If you guys aren't enjoying the content, then I'm not enjoying the content. If you guys are loving the content, then so am I. At the end of the day, we could sell it and get a cheaper car and then do more of a cheaper build or something like that, potentially. Or I have this vision in my head of just making this the most monstrous winter car ever. I have some big plans and I don't want to reveal them all. But if this video does well and you guys are enjoying this stuff and I can continue being real, I thought of kind of making this a series every Sunday. Just taking out my cell phone, sitting down, having a good chat with you guys, and getting a temperature check of the way things are going. I know it's not like the most conventional way, but I think it's the way that I stay the most real and just enjoy making content for you guys, is by doing this. Like, I can do polls and stuff on the YouTube community, but I like being able to talk just so much more. Now, I'm not in a position where it's like I can't pay my bills, and this isn't meant to be a pity party in any way, shape, or form. Again, it's just to like get my thoughts out there and then talk and conversate with you guys about it. I think there is some potential for some really good videos of ripping this thing in the snow, and that's gonna be kind of the plan, as long as this video goes well and you guys have some good comments. But there's a million things I have to do to get it ready for winter, like one being, I think it's just easier to show you. Step one of winterizing the Supra is done. So what do you guys think? Is this something we should do? Should we rip the Supra in the winter? Make sure to let me know. And if you guys are enjoying this style of content that I could upload once per week on Sundays, make sure to let me know that too. But I want your feedback and I want to talk with you guys and keep it real. Here's the winter tires. I'll probably put them on my stock wheels, and I got some more plans for that we'll get to in the future. But yeah, let me know, and let's see if we can get this thing in the garage without getting stuck. Thanks for being here.